Well, hello everyone, and welcome to the Econobox Garage. In this week's episode, we're going to continue with our Bugeye build. I'm going to be doing some work on the engine, and also I'll be working on the transmission, getting it put back together and painted. I'll also be doing some cleaning on some bits and pieces and getting some paint on some of those. So stick around, and I hope you enjoy this week's video. Well, the original plan for this week was to get to work on the putting metal back in along the quarter panel and along the back edge of the rear valance here. Once I saw the condition of the back edge of the boot floor here, I decided to reach out to the community and to see if I can get hold of some information on, the proper angle for here, how big this lip down the bottom is. I've received some information already. I'm just waiting on a paper template to show me how this proper contour across here, and I expect that to arrive in the next couple of days. I have ordered replacement brackets, or these reinforcing brackets, so those are on their way. And so what I've decided to do is to do some painting. And the target of that painting will be the transmission. I've cleaned up all the bolts for the cover plate. I've ordered a couple of new detent springs. I lost one of them when I was taking it apart, so I decided to replace both of them. So I have the new springs for there. I have a new boot for here, and one for the hole on the other side. I have a new gasket set here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take off the rear mount here, mask off what I have to, remove the actuator arm for the clutch release and the boot, and reinstall the cover plate with a new gasket, and then do a final cleanup and get everything painted. Here's the transmission all painted up and pretty much ready to go back in the car. New gaskets on the cover plate, new clutch slave cylinder, new clevis pin and cotter pin on the bottom of that we can't see. There's a new boot to seal that up on this side. Replace the missing boot on here, and as I say, it's pretty much ready to go back in the car. So here's just a couple of things that I've repainted. These are the backing plates for the rear brakes, and these are the rear hubs. I'm still waiting for some brake parts before I can put that all back together and on the rear axle. In the next video, I'm going to reinstall the seals and the new bearings in these, so they're ready to go. Well, I've got the block back from Cetus Automotive, and they've done a really nice job of getting everything cleaned up. I do need to get the engine rebored, but Cetus isn't equipped to go as small as the A-series bores. Prior to taking it to the next shop, the boring work actually done, I'm going to pull out the studs. Well, thanks for joining me in the garage this week as we wrap up another episode on our Bugeye build. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, please be sure to leave them in the comments section below. So in the meantime, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon so that you'll be notified when the next video comes out. If you'd like to get a hold of me directly, the easiest way would be through Instagram Direct. There's a link in my description below, but I'll put the tag up in the corner here for you. My name is Ian. This is the Econobox Garage. We'll see you next time.